Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide all of your Facebook photos at once on your Android or iPhone. First, let's go into Facebook. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner if you're on an Android device, and if you're on an iPhone, the three dashes would be in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you want to select Settings and Privacy. Then you're going to tap on Settings. And you're going to scroll down until you see Profile and Tagging. Next, you're going to go right where you see Tagging, who can see posts that you're tagged in on your profile. And you're going to tap right there. And at the moment you can see that it is set at Friends of Friends. You're going to tap on See More and you'll select Only Me. That means only you will be able to see your photos on Facebook. You can also select specific friends and select the friends that you would like to see it. And you can also hide your photos from one specific person by tapping on Friends Except. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to hide all Facebook photos.